Hello friends, this is Naqib from Miss Spicy Recipes. I hope you are fine and healthy. Today I'm going to fry the mutton in a new way. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share my videos. Thank you for watching. Let's start. Okay friends, in a cooker add half cup oil, 1 chopped onion, 4 potatoes medium size, 1 kg lamb meat or mutton, uh, 11 cloves garlic, 3 fresh green chilies, add salt as required, now mix the ingredients, add 1 cup water, okay friends, in medium heat. Give it pressure at least for 20 minutes, not more than 20 minutes. Okay friends, after 20 minutes I will check my meat. After 20 minutes the potato is soft and the meat is fried well, and the meat is also medium soft, not too soft.